Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a speech on importance of education. So let's start the video. According to Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to present a speech on education and why it is important. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It is very necessary to live a great and better life. For that, it is very important to get a proper education. The word education not only means acquiring knowledge, the first objective of getting good education is to become a good citizen and then to become a successful person in personal and professional life. Good education will always increase our confidence level and it helps us to determine what is right and what is wrong for us. Education make us the right thinker and the right decision maker. Education help us to develop personality and earn recognition and respect in the family and society. Socially and personally, education is an essential part of human life. In this competitive world, education is the most important thing, so never ignore the importance of education in life at any cost. In our society, a lot of social issues are happening just because of the lack of education. Social issues like inequality, gender discrimination, religious differences, child abuse, child labor, etc. If we are educated, it will help us to maintain personal and social standard in our daily life. We can acquire knowledge at any time. There is no age barrier for gaining knowledge. Education is the fundamental right of everyone. Education is a key to solve all the social, personal, and professional problems of all the people. Education is the most important tool that offer inner and outer strength to a person. If we are enriched with knowledge, we will be admired by all. Education is the most valuable treasure that will make you a successful human being. Thank you.